Hi, this is Diesta Beats with Merchant Payment Systems. Most of you know me as I set your account up when you first boarded on with us. Today I want to do just a short video on your new Ingenico terminal that you got. This is the Smart Chip credit card ready terminal. So that way you'll be able to start taking the credit cards that have the Smart Chip and it just inserts down here at the bottom as opposed to swiping here on the side. The other thing that this terminal is capable of is Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and Soft Pay. So if people have their credit card information on their phone, they just hover the phone over the credit card machine and then you're able to take that credit card. Today though, what I want to go over is when you pull the machine out of the box for the first time, you have several different pieces, and I've had questions on how to get this set up properly because it's kind of confusing because there's so many parts of it. The first thing that I've recommending people do is to take this portion right here. You'll see all the little different connections, and what you're going to do is the box, this portion right here, is going to plug in this section right here, right on this back side. It's just like putting together a puzzle. This port right here will never be used, so you can just disregard it. The next step I'm telling people to do is to take the box, and you'll see the double prong there. You'll come over here to the power outlet source, and then you'll plug that right into the back of this. And then, of course, this gets plugged into the wall outlet. After that, you're going to come back to this junction box right here, and you see the words ETH. That's people who are processing their sales through the Ethernet cord, which goes through the internet. You'll plug that port right in here. If you're using the phone line, you'll plug it into this one right here. The next thing that I want to review with you guys is how to change the paper. The paper is very simple. It's drop and load like most terminals are these days, but I've had a couple inquiries how to do that. So let me just tear off this paper right here. What you do is, this is where the paper comes out of, and then right here on the back there's a little lever. You just pop it up, roll it down, and then here's where the paper will just pop out. When you're ready to put a new roll in, stick it in there. Hold out a little sheet of it, and then you're just going to close it. Very simple. So again, you just lift up here, pull back, drop your paper, and then close. If you have any other questions, never hesitate to give us a call on this. But I just want to do a simple demo on how to hook up all the cords. It comes in the box, and what you need to do to get that hooked up for the very first time. When you receive your machine in the mail, you're going to have it totally programmed, set up for you. We suggest everybody to plug it in as soon as it gets there, run through a 1 penny transaction just to test it, make sure your receipt prints out correctly, and that it's operating as it should. Again, if you have questions, give me a call, toll free 800-905-5164. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.